whenever I attempt to speak this language, people used to come in front of me. Not because they want to disturb me, but because they used to have some work. And what is self-consciousness? Self-consciousness means you wonder too much about people. Yes, you don't think what is right, what is wrong. Yes, self consciousness means you always think negative. You are not able to express yourself in front of people. Yes, you too much care about people. I think now I have explained you very well. You too much care about people. Whatever you do, I mean, no matter how important you perform, you too much care about people. So stop wondering too much about people. I mean, stop feel self consciousness. Otherwise, you will not be able to do anything in this world. Yes. Today, so many people are not able to speak this language because of this habit of self consciousness. They think too much about people. Yes. If they are able to speak this language imperfectly, and when they see people around them, they don't speak. They think about themselves. They think about people. What if I made mistake? What if this person saw me speaking this language? My friend, he will not think about you for entire day. He has also work like you. And what will happen if he wonder about you? He will not be able to do anything in your life. Yes. So please give it thought about this what I am telling you, because I remember there was a time I feel so much self consciousness, and because of this habit of self consciousness, I was not practicing English. Whenever I attempt to speak this language, people used to come in front of me. Not because they want to disturb me, but because they used to have some work, and I was wondering they have come here to see me. No, people has on their work, and understand this. Until and unless you don't dispel, don't remove this thought, you will not be able to perform very good at any field. I'm not only talking about English. I'm also I'm talking about every field. Today, the most successful people on this planet, why they have become so much successful? Because they have removed this self consciousness. So you only have to remove this self consciousness. And today I have selected this topic immediately because there were so many people around me, and I was feeling self consciousness, and I thought why I should talk about this thing. It would be better for people because today so many people are facing this issue. So this was my, what I can say, quick message for you. And if you have any doubt to this language, leave a comment below the description and I will try to solve it. Till then, take care yourself and learn this language enjoy way.